Hey, welcome. It's Simon from Chameleon Mode. Got a great case study here. We've used Google Bard to rank in Google instantly. Brand new site, no authority in it whatsoever. Um, Check it out. Okay, straight to Google Bard. Please create a topical map for an article to rank on Google for the term sauerkraut container for fermentation. Include all salient entities that must be included, as well as utilizing the knowledge graph to create the perfectly optimized article for Google search. So just messing around, who knows what's going to happen. So this is what it did, created a topical map for an article. Keyword sauerkraut container. I've done other videos. I'll have a link here on creating topical maps for entire topics, but this is just specific for an article. So here are all the keywords to be included. Primary entity is sauerkraut container, correct? And containers, types of containers, features, benefits, brilliant stuff, okay? Okay, now right after that, I just went straight into it and said, write an article based on these guidelines, include all entities and terms mentioned above. Okay, now what Bard does is when they write articles like this, they give you 3 different variations. And what I did was I took each one of these variations and I plugged it into this great little tool that I set up this morning using Python. I'll drop a link to how to set this up below. Brilliant stuff. And what I did was I took the 3 different variations, I plugged it in here, and this is a different article I'm already on. This is gut boosting stuff. The other one was containers, but it's the same exact concept. I added in the 3 articles that Bard provided, and I'm going to run with the one that is the highest score. And what this does is it queries the Google Cloud NLP, and it tells you exactly what it thinks of your article. And you just go ahead and use the highest ranking one. Okay, so this is what happened. So I did that. I didn't edit the article at all, right? I picked this article. I then went one step further and I asked it to write a perfectly optimized meta description. I even misspelled meta. I knew what to do. So it did that. Great. Added that in. Okay. Then I asked it to create the JSON schema. I figured, why not? We're going to go all in here, create everything within Bard and see what happens. Created the JSON code for me. I easily edited the simple links. You have to do an article body here, but it's not the actual body. You need to have a summary. So I asked it to summarize the article body, but Google Bard doesn't work in the same way as ChatGPT does. So it brain farted a little bit. So I just said summarize this and added in the article. And here's the summary. So that went straight into the JSON there, added that to the page, and then I went one step further and said create an image prompt for a featured image. Photorealistic, blah, blah, blah. Added that straight into Midjourney, and here is the results. So this was this morning. And what are we trying to rank for? Choosing the right sauerkraut container. That's what we want to rank for, okay? This is a brand new blog, no authority. Google.com, and it'll probably be a little bit different in the States. I'm not going to open up Chameleon and do proxies right now, just straight see where we're at. Okay, choosing the right sauerkraut container. We are number 2. This is brilliant. Things to look for when buying, how to make sauerkraut fermentation, choosing the right one. Look, this is, these are the keywords, right? Choosing a sauerkraut container, maybe. Let's see, choosing a sauerkraut container. I don't know if it's going to be there. Look at that. Number 2 again. So this stuff works. Google loves Google, and Google Bard knows exactly what Google likes. So I think I'm going to be doing a little bit more testing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Again, like and subscribe if you haven't. There's going to be a lot more of these videos coming.